In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the Revolve Boss feature in the features menu. We have these sketches from previous tutorial. And now let's show you the meaning of revolve. So revolving is to revolve a sketch around an axis. So let's select that sketch, revolve. Now you have the selected contour. Either we can revolve all these sketches or one of them. So let's select the axis of revolving. We select that axis, so you have all the sketches are revolving around that axis. Click OK, and now we have a rebuild error. So let's now try to fix it with making selected contours. So you have to be a logical type of revolving. So now we revolve that part with selected contours. You learned about it in the extrusion. We learned how to use the selected contour. So okay, so the revolving is working. So you have to think about the type of sketch you are going to revolve. So let's make contour, see, and activate revolve, select the sketch, and this time use this axis. So now let's try, click OK. So this time the revolving, all the sketching is working because it has no zero thickness inside the material. So you have to think about which type of sketching are working and which type will not work. So now you have this sketch. They are solid parts, and you can make it like pipes. Let's edit this and continue about revolve. Here you have the selected contours, or we don't have the thin feature activated. So let's make Ctrl C to undo, select the sketch, revolve around that axis. You have thin feature. We already talked about the meaning of feature. Thin feature, let's make 20 or 3 millimeters. So we have these kind of pipes. So now let's try to make an angle here, 270. Okay, so we have an error. Let's try to build it again, revolve, and select thin feature. As you notice, it didn't work with the center rectangle, because that will generate a zero thickness feature. So we can fix it with selecting contours. Select that contour and that contour, and that's it. Let's make an angle of 220. Okay, so this is an important issue in SolidWorks, to be able to understand the logic behind your shape and what parts are not logical to be done and creating errors. So now select OK. So we have these pipes created by Revolve Boss.